All right, guys, this is the Enac, okay? This is the Enac machine, and this is the handpiece for that. So I want to go over one more time what this is. This is the ST17Q. It comes in two pieces. One, it's like this, and then the top part, okay? So basically, you're gonna have a piece like this where we put extra heads in here. So what I need you to do to understand is at the bottom piece, you're gonna screw this on like this. You're gonna use the Osada wrench and you're gonna tighten the hand tight like this. That's it. Then you're gonna take this round or the gray round one here to tighten this nut right here on top. Okay, that's it. Now, when you're done with it, you can either wipe it down, or if you want to autoclave it, leave this piece like this and just use a wrench and you will take it out and autoclave this. Okay, do not, I found this one over here like this today at one of our offices, and there's no top piece right there. So this piece will become lost and you can no longer put an extra metal over here. So this should never come off. These two should always be together. These two could get bagged into a autoclave bag and we can put it back on here. This should never be on here. So now we have one piece that's missing. So we need to figure out where it is.